Hey, here's just a really fast little tech tip on a jazz bass where you got exposed pull pieces. When they exceed past the cover and you get that clicky clicky, which I can't stand because my hands always just pop that. So normally what I do, you're gonna get 2 tech tips for free here. First one is magnetic shavings. Any kind of metal shavings, man. Tape is the savior of the day on that. Anyway, the wire tie is usually about the same height as that. Just take a wire tie, clip them to get the width is usually about right. I use the kind of long ones. I guess they're about 10 inches long or whatever, and it flushes them up. It actually puts them just south of being flush, which is awesome because now you won't touch and click on those, but you still get the same effect. You can adjust it exactly the same. Anyway, that's my 2 cents worth. Peace out.